What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to add a contact widget to your iPhone's home screen. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. Adding a contact widget to the iPhone home screen is a quick and straightforward process. First, navigate to your iPhone's home screen where you want to add the widget. Long press on an empty area or any app icon until everything starts to jiggle, and you'll see the little minus icons on the apps. This mode is often referred as the jiggle mode, indicating that you can now edit your home screen. Once in jiggle mode, look for the plus icon in the top left corner of your screen and tap on it. This action will open the widget gallery, where you can add widgets to your home screen. Scroll through the list of available widgets until you find Contacts. Tap on Contacts to see the widget size options. The Contacts widget comes in 3 sizes: small, medium and large. These sizes correspond to the amount of contact information displayed: small for 1 person, medium for 4 and large for 6 people. Choose the size that best fits your needs. For this tutorial, let's select the small widget for 1 person. Tap on Add Widget once you've selected your desired size. After adding the widget to your home screen, you might want to customize which contact appears on the widget. To do this, simply tap and hold the widget you just added. Then, tap on Edit Widget and proceed to select a contact from your contacts list. Pick the contact you wish to display, and it will immediately update on your home screen widget. Now you've successfully added a contact widget to your iPhone's home screen. This widget allows you to quick access to a call, message, or view details of the contact directly from your home screen, making it convenient to stay in touch with your most important contacts. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.